Welcome back to Turbo Drive Avenue, where we focus on cars that fit real life. And today, we're checking out the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross, a compact SUV built for drivers who want everyday practicality with Toyota's trusted reliability. The Corolla Cross is designed to bridge the gap between a traditional sedan and a small SUV, making it ideal for daily commuting, young families, and anyone who wants a comfortable, easy-to-drive vehicle with a bit more versatility. For 2026, it's expected to continue offering a balanced approach that prioritizes efficiency, comfort, and long-term value. From the outside, the 2026 Corolla Cross features a clean and modern design with SUV-inspired proportions. Its upright stance gives it a confident look on the road, while smooth body lines keep it approachable and friendly. The front end is expected to feature updated LED headlights with a sharper design, paired with a simple grille that fits Toyota's current styling direction. Around the back, the taillights are neatly integrated, giving the vehicle a tidy and well-balanced appearance. Inside, the Corolla Cross focuses on comfort and usability rather than flash. The cabin is expected to use durable materials with soft touch accents in key areas, creating a solid and welcoming feel. Seating is comfortable and supportive, with enough space for adults in both rows. Cargo space is practical for groceries, luggage, or weekend gear, making it easy to live with on a daily basis. The 2026 Corolla Cross is expected to be offered in several trims, allowing buyers to choose between value-focused models and more feature-rich versions. Lower trims should cover the essentials, while higher trims are likely to add upgraded infotainment, additional safety features, and more refined interior details. Under the hood, the Corolla Cross is expected to offer an efficient four-cylinder, possibly paired with a hybrid option in certain markets. Acceleration is expected to be smooth and predictable, focusing on comfort rather than sportiness. The driving experience should feel stable and easy, especially in city traffic and on highways. Fuel efficiency is expected to be one of the Corolla Cross's strongest points, with estimated figures that make it an affordable choice to own and operate. Exact numbers have not been confirmed yet. Technology is expected to include a modern touchscreen infotainment system with smartphone integration, along with Toyota Safety Sense features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. The 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross is expected to start around an accessible price point, making it best suited for buyers who want a reliable, efficient, and practical compact SUV. In the end, it represents Toyota's focus on smart design and everyday value. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Turbo Drive Avenue, and press the bell icon for more automotive reviews.